As an instructor, if you'd like to run any of the competency tracker reports, you can click on the orange Goals and Reporting tab and then select the Reports option. This will load the standard legacy reports, but you can then click on the competency tracker reports option here, and that will load specifically our competency tracker reports. You can first see your previously run reports below, and then you can select from the dropdown either the Skills Finder report, which will work the same way our legacy report and Skills Finder does, just for the new competency tracker students and data. We have the COAMPS student minimum competency recommendations. These are based off the 2023 recommendations that will be required for any cohort starting on or after January 1st, 2023, but any cohorts that would like to start now are welcome to do so. And then the student progress report, which is essentially our updated graduation requirements report, and this report will allow you to use either our built-in template or a fully customizable template that you can create. For this example, I'll be showing the COAMPS student minimum competency. So you select that report. You can then select your goal set, either our built-in SMC template, which is based on COA's recommendations, or you can use one of your custom goal sets for the SMC based on the template. And then you can select your report view for either summary tracking or detailed tables 1 through 5. Detailed tables 1 through 5 can only be run for one student at a time, but it will show you specifically all 5 tables and how the students are doing towards each of the columns in those tables. And then the summary tracking will appear as the Excel file from COA's directly with their summary tracking, where it will show the pieces of the 5 tables that they want to include on summary tracking, as well as the students that you select for that report. You can select more than one student when you run that report if you'd like, but it is not a requirement. You can choose to do just one. So then you can search for your students and select them, and then you can select a date range if you'd like, and finally you can select the capstone date for when these students started their capstone for running this report. For today's example, I'll be using 8/1/2022. Once that's all set, you can hit done, and then it will bring you to a summary page where it has the parameters you've laid out. If you want to change them, you can click on the pencil icon. Otherwise, you'll be able to click the download report option, and it will download the Excel file of the report exactly as COA has put out for you to take.